Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that simplifies the process of managing cloud servers for web applications. It offers a user-friendly interface, a variety of features, and 24/7 support, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. If you're interested in learning more about Cloudways, I encourage you to click on the affiliate link in the description below. You will get 3 days free trial and 40% for 4 months plus 40 free migrations. Cloudways' user-friendly control panel makes it easy to manage cloud servers, even for those with no prior experience. Cloudways offers high-performance servers that can handle even the most demanding web applications. Cloudways servers can be easily scaled up or down to meet the changing needs of your web application. Cloudways takes security seriously and offers a variety of security features to protect your web application. Cloudways offers a variety of features, including one-click application installation, staging areas, backups, and more. Cloudways offers 24/7 support via live chat, email, and phone. While Cloudways is easy to use, there is a bit of a learning curve for those new to cloud hosting. Cloudways only offers a 3-day free trial, which is shorter than many other managed hosting providers. This can be a disadvantage for users who want to test out Cloudways before committing to a paid plan. Cloudways live chat support agents have access to your code, which may be concerning to some users. However, Cloudways has a strict security policy in place, and only authorized support agents can access your code. Despite these cons, Cloudways is still a great choice for many businesses and developers. It is a powerful and versatile platform that can be used to host a wide variety of web applications. If you are looking for a managed cloud hosting platform that offers high performance, ease of use, and 24/7 support, then Cloudways is definitely worth considering. Cloudways offers flexible pricing plans and operates on a pay-as-you-go model. You may find the pricing complicated at first, as Cloudways has several plans based on its 5 different partners: DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, AWS, and Google Cloud. For beginners, the basic DigitalOcean or Linode plans are sufficient. However, if you're a demanding user, go for an AWS or Google Cloud plan. You might wonder, if Cloudways uses these cloud providers' infrastructure, why can't I go directly to them? While you might save money by setting up directly with these providers, you'll handle everything yourself. Cloudways managed hosting support frees you from complex tasks. Try Cloudways' free 3-day trial, no credit card required, to test its features. Build servers and experiment with Cloudways. However, this trial is limited to DigitalOcean, Linode, and Vultr plans. Cloudways is a breeze to use, making it simple to create websites and add applications with just a few clicks. It even offers automatic installation for WordPress, Magento, and other popular apps. If you're transferring an existing site, Cloudways' custom plugin expedites the migration process. While users accustomed to cPanel may encounter some unexpected quirks, Cloudways' control panel is still intuitive and user-friendly. 2 noteworthy features include the monitoring and vertical scaling tabs under server management. These tabs provide at-a-glance insights into server performance and indicate when it's time to scale up. Unlike shared hosting, Cloudways is a managed hosting provider, eliminating the need for constant website monitoring. It employs various technologies, such as its own Cloudways CDN, to ensure fast page loading and optimal site performance. Additionally, staging, cloning, and temporary URL features are particularly beneficial for new users. Finally, Cloudways offers flexible pay-as-you-go pricing, allowing you to customize your hosting plan based on your specific needs. You can easily scale up or down as required. A free 3-day trial, though short, provides ample time to test Cloudways features.